Now, for the very first time, smart technology meets your passion for gardening. No matter where you go, the Gardena Smart App takes care of your lawn and plants. The Gardena Smart App lets you connect from anywhere, at any time. You can control your entire garden intelligently with a single app. The smart sensor is garden intelligence at your fingertips. It measures light intensity, temperature and soil moisture. And with the smart water control, you never underwater or overwater. It's a fully automated watering system. No matter how long you're away, you can always come home to a perfect lawn too. The smart Seleno Plus robotic lawnmower gives you a carpet-like lawn and the freedom to do the things you really love. The Gardena Smart System is the only system that connects both intelligent watering and lawn care. Out now, only from Gardena.